Okay, so our first step is we need to simplify the left and the right side if possible. So I see parentheses right here and I see this 3 right here, so I need to distribute this positive 3 to the y and the 2. So we're going to multiply 3 to y, so that would make 3y, and then 3 to 2, 3 times 2 is positive 6. Then I'm going to bring down the rest of the problem, the negative 8y, the negative 10, and then I'm going to put a plus because this was a positive. All right, we're still not done simplifying. I see some like terms, so we're going to combine like terms. So we are going to take the coefficients, which is negative 8 right here, and then we have positive 3, and we have to figure out what negative 8 plus 3 is. So that's negative 5, y. And then we are going to take a negative 10 and a positive 6. Those are both constants, so we can combine them together. So negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. All right, our next step is to highlight the variable term. But there's a problem. We have a term here and we have a term here, and it says to highlight a variable term, as in 1. So that is my reminder there that we can't do that. So that means we have to get rid of one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the negative 5y by adding 5y, and that would make 0y. And whatever I do to the left, I have to do over here to the right. Alright, so now we are done with this step, and now that there is one variable term to highlight there, and so now we're ready for our last step, which is to divide. So we want to get rid of this 8, we just want to know what y is. So we're going to divide by the coefficient in front of the y. And then here we have a negative divided by a positive. So that makes a negative. And 8 can't go into 4. 4 divided by 8. 8 can't go into 4, so we would get 0.5. So you could leave your answer as negative 0.5 for y, so that would be acceptable. Or just take the 4 and the 8 and divide out the common factor of 4, and we would get negative 1/2. So we can leave our answer as a exact fraction, or we can write it as a decimal.